Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Coinomi wallet application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Coinomi wallet application, go and tap open your app store. In the search box popping up at the top, type in Coinomi and search. This is the wallet we are looking for. Tap on the Get button to begin the installation process. Coinomi wallet is a blockchain wallet where you can securely store, manage, and exchange Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more than 1,770 tokens and altcoins. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button and that's how you can easily download Coinomi application for your iPhone. Allow necessary permission by tapping Allow in the pop-up and create a new wallet for yourself or restore an existing wallet and get started with Coinomi. That is how you can easily download Coinomi wallet application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.